Hi guys, this is unboxing number 2 today. I have fur over everything because I have 5 fur babies. But anyway, in the previous unboxing, I mentioned that I haven't done a video in a while because I've had 2 things happen. First was cataract surgery, and I'm all good. I can see very well, so I am super happy with the surgery. And second was Hurricane Lane. We live in Hawaii, so we had that come through, and it turned into a tropical depression, so all's good. We're just getting a lot of rain. But anyway, I'm going to be unboxing the Quilter's candy box, so let's get into it. As usual, it comes with this really pretty pink tissue paper, Quilter's candy box, and that was my Piper girl sneezing, so excuse her. So this is August Quilter's candy box, and let's put this on the side. Hammond's Candies Old-Fashioned Lemon Drops. So this looks really interesting. Again, living in Hawaii, we don't get a lot of cool stuff, so this will be good. I love lemon stuff, so I like this. And we have Sulky of America 12 weight cotton petites for 50-yard spools, red, blue, pink, and light green. So that's really nice. And this is really cute. I almost bought this, but I didn't because I wasn't sure what to do with it. But I believe this is Tasha Noel Seaside fabric. It's super cute. I love it. I love the from Riley Blake Designs, and it is a set of fat quarter bundle. We get 5. So this cute little lighthouse and girl, and this aqua background, this navy with flowers. Love that. Let me put this on the side. So that's 1. Love this navy with flowers. Pink with sailboats to die for. Flags in the same kind of darker teal color background than this aqua. And lobsters, so cute, on this pink diagonal striped fabric. Not diagonal, striped fabric. Super cute. I'm so happy I got this, and now I might maybe order some more. We shall see. But thank you for including this Quilter's candy box. So let's put that on the side. And we have washi tape from Tasha Noel. 4 washi tape, anchors on a red background, sailboats and buoy flags on a blue, light blue, red lobster on a white, and what is that, like a checkerboard almost, on blue, black, and white. That's really cute. And Band-Aid again, which I keep it at work, and I've had to use it the other day because I had a burn on my elbow. And these are really nice. This is sewing labels, so that's super cute. Set of 4 designs, and looks like 3 each. So I really like that. And here is, oh, I'm so glad they included this because I really wanted this pattern, but again, I didn't buy it. So Seaside Stars pattern from Tasha Noel, and I'm really excited. I really want to do this, so super excited about this pattern. So thank you, Quilter's Candy Box. I think this is maybe one of my most favorite monthly boxes. I will put all the information below in the description box. I will tell you how much it cost, and I'll try to find out what the retail value is for this month's box. Again, thank you for watching, and have a great day.